What's going on, y'all? Master Teacher Retraction back with another video. And I wanted to show y'all today's little grocery haul. And the reason I want to show these videos to you guys, just came out the gym. Just came out the gym, you know what I'm saying? But the reason why I just showed you guys, want to show you guys these grocery hauls is so you guys know what to get. Okay? Now, I want you guys to follow me. The video yesterday, I got them coffee cakes. Alright, I went to the gym today. I felt something right in this joint right here, in this phalange. What's the other thing? Shoulder. Okay, now there's two things that's causing that, and this is a very good teaching point. The way that I slept, double folding my pillow, and then that puts pressure on this, because sometimes I sleep on my left side, and then that puts pressure on this shoulder. All right, you're going to feel that if you're sleeping wrong in the gym. Okay, especially if you're doing something like dips, which is a great exercise. And with dips, you guys want to do them. Don't use momentum with dips. You want to go, you want to feel the muscle work. So you're gonna have to go a little more moderately slower. Okay, so that's the first thing. And then the foods. Okay, them damn coffee cakes. All right, even though I didn't eat a whole bunch of them, it causes inflammation in my body. Inflammation, you'll feel it in your joints. Okay, that's one of the first places you'll feel it, especially if you have a gluten sensitivity. So this is why I'm coming to you guys about nutrition so damn much. Even you guys on semen retention and no fat, you guys need to put nutrition first. Okay, first, along with the going to the gym and everything. That's the foundation to accomplishing your goals when it comes to life, when it comes to finances, when it comes to attracting women. All right, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. So coming through with some anti-inflammatory foods. So I went to Mariano's, got one of them $5 fruit bowls, man. I'm gonna eat on this. This has honeydew melon, pineapple, watermelon, and cantaloupe. I love melons. My body really does well with this. If you ever constipated, you feel bogged down from eating whatever you ate, and you was like, okay, my body don't agree with that. Go and get you some melons. Okay, that's gonna knock that Man, I took a real nice, healthy stool this morning. Real healthy. Okay, bowel loops and all that, but I don't want to get too much into. I just want to let you know I don't have no diarrhea, no issues in that department. When your bowels is healthy, that allows your waist to shrink back in to its normal size. All right, because that's one of the main places people have inflammation is in their waist, in their gut. All right, and y'all know gut is the second brain. That's where you get your gut feeling from. That's where you process information. Okay. I still got a little cheeseburger bowl. Another recipe you guys can do, pizza bowl with lean 93.7 ground turkey. You can do a burger bowl, cheeseburger bowl. You can do a taco bowl, okay, for a little Mexican change up flavor. Get you some cherry tomatoes, a little bit of sour cream. Get you some either green chives or green onions. Add a little cheese to that taco bowl, man. You got you a nice little good meal right there. Plenty of protein in there. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna be eating today. I may go to Chick-fil-A and get their little chicken tender nuggets, cause I really like the macros on that. The fats is low compared to the protein. That's because they're using chicken breast. So that's why that's a very good protein source. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do with that, or I'm gonna just make the taco bowl. I already got the seasoning right here. Go ahead and flavor it up. Oh, and with a little bit of taco sauce too. And with something like that, you don't have to add salt to it, because if you're adding things like taco seasoning and all that, that's gonna have plenty of salt with it. Okay. So yeah, man, I hope these type of videos are helping you guys with these little grocery haul videos, since I shop daily because I like my food fresh. That's whether I'm in a live in an apartment, house, or wherever. I do this where whatever situation I'm in, I do that like all the time. Okay, so I'ma holler at y'all next video. Peace.